Hello, Vincent from Seacoast Harley-Davidson inviting you to attend our 2020 trike workshop. We'll be holding it on January the 18th at 1 o'clock. We would like to cover in the workshop some of the new features of the 2020 trike as well as the new trike CVO, the traction control, the new suspension, the ABS braking, and the more powerful motor, along with the new electronics package. We'll also be covering tips and tricks about owning a trike, so if you are a trike owner and you'd like to know more, or if you have questions about the 6.5 boom box that was on the earlier models, we'll cover those questions. And we'll also cover some of the accessories. We have a trike here with some options and accessories on them. And again, if you have a trike, we encourage you to come and attend the workshop. Also, if you have a friend that would benefit from being on a trike, or if you're just curious about the new features, please attend. We look forward to seeing you. Again, it's going to be on Saturday. Like all of our workshops, we're going to be providing refreshments. We'll have a door prize, and we'll be awarding MVP points. So if you can make it on Saturday at 1 o'clock, we look forward to seeing you then. Thank you very much.